Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Rabbit Potty Box is probably one of the most essential accessories for any rabbit owner. Keeping your furry friend's living space clean and odor-free is a breeze with the right potty box. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of rabbit potty boxes, exploring different designs, materials, and features to help you find the ideal solution for your bunny and your home. Number 5. Pet Toilet Potty Trainer for Small Animals. This rectangular pet toilet is made of high-quality, safe plastic. It's strong, odorless, and built to last. You can trust that it's a durable and sturdy choice for your pet. With dimensions of 12 by 8.5 by 6 inches, this toilet offers ample space for small animals like rabbits and guinea pigs. Please note that it's not suitable for adult rabbits or large mice, but it's perfect for smaller pets. When you order this, you'll receive more than just the toilet. The package includes a bow knot, a triangular bandage, and a mini broom. It's a complete set to get you started. The mesh design makes cleaning a breeze. It allows for easy feces leakage. Simply disassemble the tray and rinse it with water when it needs cleaning. The smooth guardrails on both sides prevent urine from splashing, keeping the cage clean. It also comes with cage hooks to securely attach the litter tray to your pet's home. This design makes your life easier. What we like? This rectangular potty box is made of high-quality, durable plastic. It's also easy to clean, thanks to its mesh design. If you have multiple small pets or need a spacious potty, you should consider this one. What people say. The clips hold it in place really well. My rabbit started using this right away. The high back corner keeps her urine inside instead of spattering outside her cage as it was doing before this purchase. No urine smell at all. Bunny is now 4 months old and has no pee and mostly no poop outside her litter box. Highly recommend. Number 4. RUBYHOME Rabbit Litter Box, Safe and Spacious. Introducing a chew-proof litter box, made with reinforced ABS plastic. This heavy-duty design ensures the safety of your small animals, protecting them from harm. This square design offers extra space and comfort for your pets. It's perfectly sized for rabbits, guinea pigs, ferrets, and other small animals, providing them with a comfortable space. The low-entry design makes it easy for pets to enter and exit. The cross-fixed buckle design keeps the litter box securely in place, preventing your pet from dragging it around. This litter box is perfect for rabbits, guinea pigs, ferrets, and bunnies. It's designed to keep your pet's feet clean and safe with its removable grid floor. The deep design provides ample space for litter and waste. This feature reduces the frequency of cleaning, saving you time and effort in maintaining your pet's space. What we like? This square litter box is made of chew-proof plastic, perfect for those little nibblers. It also features a low-entry design for easy access. If you are looking for a durable and comfortable option for your small pet, you should consider this one. What people say. Mosey small corner litter boxes are usually too shallow, and this one, for the size, has a decent depth so it won't need to be emptied constantly. The grate that covers it snaps on and stays put. Since it is a rectangle, rather than a square, it gives a bit more room for my pet to stand on. Number 3. Hamiledyi Triangle Pet Potty Trainer. This triangle potty trainer is made with high-quality, safe plastic. It's strong and odorless, ensuring a healthy environment for your small pet. The sturdy construction means it will last. The mesh design allows waste to fall through easily, preventing your pet's feet from getting stuck. Cleaning is a breeze, simply separate the top and rinse with water. It's that simple. This corner litter box is ideal for bunnies, guinea pigs, hamsters, and other small animals. Please note, it's designed for smaller pets, so consider your pet's size. It is perfect for them. The smooth guardrails prevent urine from splashing, keeping the cage clean. It also includes hooks to securely attach the tray to the cage. This design makes everything easier. Included is a free grass ball for your pet to play with and nibble on, preventing boredom. They can throw it around and have fun, keeping them entertained. It's a great addition. What we like? This triangle potty trainer is made of safe plastic and includes fun toys to keep your pet entertained. The design makes it easy to clean. If you like a potty with a fun design and extra toys, you should consider this one. What people say. I needed a corner pee pad tray that was itty-bitty for my baby skunk. I also like how there's a clasp on the grate so she cannot pop it off and chew her pee pad. It's easy to clean, just take off the white part, dump the stuff out, then rinse it all off. Number 2. Muyg Rabbit Cage Corner Litter Box Kit. This litter box keeps your pet from sitting in its waste. The design reduces the risk of fly strike and skin infections. It also provides good ventilation for your pet's health. The grid design separates your pet from excrement, making cleaning much easier. Urine drains through, while solid waste stays on top for quick removal. You won't have to worry about a messy floor. This litter box is made of sturdy plastic and iron. The materials are safe, durable, and easy to clean. It also helps with potty training for your small animals. The box has a strong bearing capacity, and your pet's feet won't get stuck. It's easy to disassemble and clean, maintaining a hygienic environment. The smooth surfaces avoid waste getting stuck in corners. The kit includes a small litter box, a plush pad, a dustpan and broom, chew toys, and grass cakes. It has everything you need to keep your pet's space clean and comfortable. The square shape provides stability and prevents tipping. It fits perfectly into corners and small spaces, maximizing the available area for your pet. What we like. This bunny litter box features a grid design to keep your pet clean and reduce mess. It also comes with a dustpan, broom, and toys. If you are looking for a complete potty training kit, you should consider this one. What people say. It fits nicely in the corner she prefers, and the overall shape works really well in her space. This one is a nice sturdy plastic, it fits onto the hooks so easily, and the grid cover is coated metal instead of plastic. So much easier to clean, it stayed in one spot with the little plastic locks, they weren't able to chew it. Number 1. Small Animal Corner Litter Box. This corner litter box is ideally sized for hamsters, guinea pigs, baby rabbits, and other small animals. It measures 9.5 inches long, 6.5 inches wide, and 4 inches high. This size ensures the pet has a comfortable and designated space. Made with sturdy materials, this litter box is built to last. It can withstand daily use and resist chewing from your small animal. This ensures the product's longevity and safety for your pet. The removable grid floor keeps messes away from your pet's feet, keeping them clean. The design is also stain and odor resistant, with a non-stick surface for easy maintenance. Cleaning is a breeze. This litter box helps establish good litter habits. It provides a designated bathroom area in your pet's cage. This makes it easier to keep the cage clean and maintain a healthy environment. The corner design fits perfectly in small animal cages, maximizing living space. It comes with attached cage hooks and holes to hold the litter tray securely, preventing sliding. This design is both practical and space efficient. What we like. This corner litter box is designed to save space and is easy to clean. The durable construction ensures it will last. If you have a small cage or want to maximize your pet's living space, you should consider this one. What people say. Works good, just a little small. Like the fact that top is plastic also and not made of wire. Perfect color, matches my cage. The size is nice for my rats. Easy to clean, no assembly. It is a nice size and works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.